Do you feel like video content is a necessary evil? You're not alone. There's no doubt about it, video content is becoming more and more popular online. It is becoming a non-negotiable at this point in order for your social media strategy to be effective. But you're still left in the dark, feeling like you're missing out. Video is a great way, and I would argue the only way, to connect with your audience and share your message online. Attention spans are going out the window. I mean, do those things even exist anymore? And your competition is getting ahead because they've taken action on their video strategy. Guys, it's much easier than you think. Seriously, it doesn't have to be scary and it doesn't have to be hard. You're probably thinking, well, that's easy for you to say, Angel, you're good at this. Guys, I'm really not. I hate it just as much as any of you, seriously. I still, up until what I'm going to share with you in this video, I still wasted hours, I mean several hours in a day, just trying to shoot one, maybe two videos. Being stressed out from not being able to get the right words out. I'm overwhelmed by all the cuts that I'm gonna have to figure out how to edit afterwards. And now my whole day is wasted because I spent it all trying to shoot 1 to 2 videos. And if this sounds like you and you're ready to take action on video, then I have something that's going to help you save tons of time, energy, and stress. You ready? Video scripts. Script your videos beforehand. I know. This sounds like it's just another thing to have to do, and well, I mean, yes, technically it is, but holy moly, how much better my videos turn out, how much stress I avoid. I mean, maybe there's like 1 or maybe 2 retakes, but you know what the worst is? Getting almost to the end of your video and then you have to start all over because you messed up. That's the worst. This video right here that you're watching right now was scripted beforehand. So before you say, but Angel, I don't know what to say, or I'm not good at writing scripts, stop it. Just stop it right there, because I used to be exactly where you are. But once I learned that all I had to do was write as if I was talking, like literally as if I was talking, and throw it onto my teleprompter, the rest is cake. I know I'm confident that I'm gonna try to get a video produced much quicker and much more effective. And the best part is I can totally still be myself. I can still go off script here and catch right back up where I left off. Oftentimes I have side thoughts or extra words I want to add into it, which gives it that more authentic feel, and pick right back up where I left off. It's perfect. Creating a video script beforehand may seem like a no-brainer to some, but for others, myself included, it wasn't always something that I did or that I wanted to do. In fact, up until recently, I would just wing it, which oftentimes led to wasted takes, redoing the part where I messed up, or starting all over, or reshooting an entire video because it just wasn't coming together. Then I'm just like, screw all of this sucks. And then what begins to happen, eventually you just become completely discouraged from trying again, and video content will never happen for you. But it doesn't have to be this way. If you can just manage to get into the habit of scripting your video content before hitting the record button, then you will save so much time, energy, and stress in the long run. Trust me, this has been game-changing for me. I use it for everything now. If I want to send a video to clients, if I want to post something on my social media, obviously for all of my course material, everything, my process now starts with writing it first. And this may sound familiar. In my head, I get this amazing idea for a video, and in my head, I'm talking and the perfect words are coming out in the most beautiful and the most eloquent way, and I'm excited. I'm gonna nail this video. Then I get in front of the camera and blah, nothing happens. I try and it all sucks. If that sounds like something that happens to you, this right here is it. Try it. Also, another thing I want to add, if you're anything like me, oftentimes I'm out and about and an idea comes to mind. What do? Well, I most likely don't have the time or my stuff to shoot the video right then and there, because as you know, when an idea comes, you need to execute it. Otherwise, it's gone. So I pop up my phone, create a new note, and start writing. My script writing process has already started, and I now know that I have a video in the works that will get created soon. This is how I save time, energy, and stress when creating video content. By having a plan and understanding my process, it allows me to work more efficiently, which in turn saves me precious time. And as we all know, time is money. So go out there, utilize this hack, start using script writing, start using a teleprompter, which if you check out my other videos, I have a series of videos where I share with you a teleprompter app, which is perfect for all mobile creators. So make sure to check that out. Utilize this hack and save yourself some time, energy, and stress. And the next time you create video content, it will be much more effective. It will be a much more smoother ride. All right, so happy script writing.